Move to Sector Gamma.
Roger that. Sector Gamma. Watch the high stack on the left.
Move the large ones to the right. This batch is clear. Sending it through now. Identification scan complete. Proceeding to safety inspection.
Pressure check complete. Depressurization sequence initiated. Stand clear of the chamber.
All units clear for cleaning operations.
Automated washing sequence initiated. High pressure cycle active. Quality control alert. Damaged units detected and diverted to the reject stream. Cylinder secured. Commencing cut sequence. Alignment confirmed. Cutting sequence initiated. Powerful overhead magnets extract the remaining contaminants before the steel is recycled. Attention team, continuous feed operation is commencing on line 3. Ensure all safety protocols are observed.
We have a fluctuation in the carbon reading right here.
Adjusting the feed rate now. It's stabilizing.
Confirmed. Holding steady.
Feeder 3 engaging now. Monitor temperature spike on channel 4. We have visual confirmation of the reaction. Sequence complete.
From waste comes strength. The continuous casting process transforms recycled materials into the building blocks of tomorrow. Check the cooling water. We're seeing too much steam on the upper section. Move it out. Next billet coming through. Keep the pressure steady on those rollers. Utilizing advanced precision rollers, we transform recycled materials into high-quality steel pipes.
Utilizing reclaimed materials, the steel is rapidly cooled, ensuring strength and sustainability for the future.
Attention all personnel. Remember to wear your safety goggles in the pipe straightening area.
Precision engineering at its finest. Our automated systems ensure a flawless finish every time.
The automated system ensures every recycled cylinder achieves a perfect mirror finish, ready for repurposing. Advanced sensors meticulously scan every millimeter for hidden defects, ensuring quality control on the production line.
The ultrasonic results are clear. The laser indicators confirm the structural integrity of the recycled steel.
Pressure reached the threshold. Check the readout.
We have a successful seal. No drop in PSI. Record the data.
Achieving the perfect finish requires precision engineering and the highest quality robotics.
Primer application active on line 3. Rotation speed nominal.
Quality check on line 4. Ensure the coating is flawless before transfer to cooling. We need to maintain the highest standards. The automated laser marking system ensures quality control, engraving specifications with pinpoint accuracy and constant speed.
Each pipe is precisely marked for identification, ensuring sustainability. The automated vision system inspects every dimension, ensuring flawless quality at maximum speed.
This section here looks good. The weld integrity is solid.
Agreed. Let's send it through to wrapping.
Automatically bundled with heavy-duty straps, these pipes are ready for the next stage, packaging and dispatch to our global partners.